that I make me waste my time. Don't go blowing up my line. If it's ain't real, then baby, I'm cool.
Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Westkiss Hair. I really wanted to come and show you guys how I got my updos, so I decided to take this curly wig and show you that today. I mean, I always be wearing curly wigs and stuff, and I know I be wearing it down, so I was like, I better just come and show you guys how to get your curly wig to look nice and natural. And this is not a 360 wig, like this is not a 360 lace or anything. It's just like a regular lace, but I like to just take little pieces out and make it look natural in the back. You know, that's always been my thing. I'm gonna turn around and I hope the back of my hair is looking possible. So I'm gonna show you how to get it to look like this. Hopefully it's looking natural. So this is the box. Opens like this. Has the lashes, headband. I like this headband. It's so simple. Wig cap and an edge brush. And then it has like the regular satin bag that you could put your wig in, or like all your stuff. Okay guys, so that's all the stuff that came in the packaging. If you want to see how I got this hairstyle and how I installed this wig, let's get right into this video.
That I make me waste my time. Don't go blowing up my line. If it's ain't real, then baby, I'm cool. Seen it one too many times. I know how to read the signs. So if you lie, I know the truth. Yeah, I need to remind you.
Yeah, nobody comes before you. There's no way that you need more. If I'm willing to give you all me, I don't wanna stay somewhere that I'm not on you. You say I didn't want you now. Can you give me loving that need?
Now baby, don't go playing with my love, and don't make me regret falling in love. Falling in love. So far away, they'll never find my love, and don't make me regret falling in love. Falling in love.
So tell me how you feel inside. I can see it in your eyes. If you're unsure, then what we gon' do? What we gon' do? All we gotta do is try. People place it to sacrifice. It ain't only about you. I need to remind you.
And nobody comes before you. There's no way that you need more. I'm willing to give you all me. I don't wanna stay somewhere that I'm not wanting you. Can't say I didn't
peace that you cannot buy. Send me love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. Far behind my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. I need to give up my babe. I need to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need right here. I really need my love. I really need to bring my love. I really need your love. I need to bring up my love. I really need your love. I really need to bring my love. I really need your love. Oh, yeah. Just let me free, freer than the open mind, farther than the eyes can handle, freer than the ocean now. Yeah, yeah, to set me free. Now I need to find release. Set me to the open sky. Now I need to free my mind. Yeah.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the hair turned out. This is how the lace is looking. I try my best to make it look as good as possible, even though it kind of looked a little bit crusty, but that's only because I sprayed the Ebin on top of the extreme gel, and I probably shouldn't have done that, but what can I do? So yeah, this is how the wig looks. This is how the back looks. I think it looks nice. If you guys like this hair, I will have it linked down below. Don't forget to check out Westkiss Hair. I will have their links in the description box below, and the specific specs for this wig will be down below as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye!
You know that I make me waste my time. Don't go blowing up my life. It's unreal and baby, I'm cool.